Welcome back to Car Stuff P&W. This is Jesse. Got another update on the 1100. We are at another car show. It's the Hillsboro Tuesday night market. Had to bring the 1100 out. I came last week with my dad, but I didn't film anything. But let's go ahead and film it now. Some pretty sweet cars. I was there last time. This one, talked to this guy before. This car is so awesome. Is it supposed to be leaking like that? Ooh, it's supposed to be like a Holden. Yeah, it's a Triumph. A couple of Triumphs. Very cool. Alright, let's go. Check this out. I think there's more cars this time. Oh, color on that bug is so nice. Awesome. Very cool.
I thought I needed something. Yeah.
Some of these cars were here before. Ooh, yeah. Nice. All right, this is the other side. Oh wow, a Rivian. So cool. Very nice. Oh, this is super sweet. Excuse me. Yeah, these cars are very cool. All right, and that was those were the cars at the Tuesday night market. It was pretty good turnout. There were definitely more cars than last time, and there are some really cool, sweet cars there. So that'll do it for this video. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll see you later.